Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, today we have this Kingston Fury RAM. I'll tell you my favorite thing about it in just a second, but first some things you need to know. This unit is 32 gigabytes. It's 5200 MTSs, and it has a CL of 40. Guys, I have 4 sticks of this on my computer. I took them out just to show you, so 128 total. You might need less or similar depending on what you do. I do a ton of editing and a lot of work like that, a lot of photo work, a lot of video work. So 128 is awesome for me. You might need a lot less. You might be fine with 32. You might be fine with 64. Who knows? That's going to be up to you. But this RAM, guys, it is fast and it works great. My computer has never ran better since I put this in there. All my rendering times are faster. Everything is so much smoother. Because whether you're a gamer, you're an editor, you work with photos, you work with videos, or whether you just want to have like 1,000 Chrome tabs open, this RAM is excellent RAM. It's going to work great with most XMP profiles. And guys, it's just really fast. It's DDR5, so really great technology. My favorite thing about it is just how simple it is to install, how fast it is, the improvements it's made for me when I'm rendering videos, editing videos. I hardly even use proxies anymore because this makes my computer so efficient with everything. I just really highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.